So babe, like I don't know. You are worthy, Lord. God, I shall die. You are passionate. Come.
Michael is a representation of God.
How are you? Yeah, ma. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you, Waka? Oh God, I don't need
So
to.
maybe we are showing out.
Hey, Jesus. Hey. I just see something about the both of you, the two of you. The two of you need to sow seed of 70,000.
Jesus!
Because the Lord just speak to me now.
What?
You know, say the number 7 is the number of perfection. So you need to come to the church and sow a seed of 70,000 cash. You dey hear me? Now what the Lord tell me be that too. And secondly, you need to pay your tithes. Malachi 3 verse 10. Yeah. Now hear wetin I tell una abi? Na wetin the Lord say.
If the number 7 is for perfection, what of number 3?
God have mercy upon us.
Don't worry. When I just come to church, also the same. When I come to church, I'll give una the answer, yeah?
Now so now so now only like that now I take this.
How you think hear wetin we dey talk sef? I am beside how you don't know start this? When God already give me the power to prophesy, give people, you say I dey deceive them. How you think no say I dey deceive them?
God give you power to
Yes.
prophesy, give you.
Yes, na. I can't
So
lie.
when they come sow seed of 70,000 naira put for your church.
That one sef no go reach sef. No reach.
Okay.
Hey, what is going on here? I don't understand.
It's okay, my daughter. Make he explain the number 3. Now only the number 7 for perfection. Now all of una know. Now na take they play people. Apart from now, I don't know that one. The guest say make you explain the spiritual significance of the number 3.
About wetin concern you sef? Wetin concern you for the number?
Malachi 3 verse 10. What is the spiritual significance of the number?
After all na so na come church come sow na seed. I will tell you the meaning.
You see the wayo man of God when we see someone and so seed of
God have
70,000.
mercy upon us.
Hey!
Many of us, even Christians, apart from not the only pastors, we not dey study the book of Numbers. That book now very powerful book. We dey look at like say na only stories na dey inside. If I tell you what is inside that book, you go shock.
For my own Bible, wetin you wan tell me for my Bible?
What if I tell you say King Solomon wey you dey see so, God not just make am the greatest king in history. There are some other spiritual ordinances. What we say you follow am wey make am greatest king in history. The book of First Kings is the 11th book in the scriptures. And if you want to spell kings, you start with the letter K, which is the 11th letter as well. And the story of King Solomon started from chapter 1 and ended in chapter 11. Again, if you count that pikin when later die, if you count and join, King Solomon is the 11th son of King David. The number 11 they play a very significant role for the life of King Solomon. All the numbers, he get where God take program them, arrange them. That's why we have what is called Bible numerology. Some of us, we even have our own divine part number.
In the name of
So,
Jesus.
make una dey study the book of Numbers. That book now one very powerful book where we say many of us we dey run away from.
Not be juju be that.